Fast Bhutan kicks off the year with Beyond Canvas, a solo exhibition by Monjit Nepal. This showcase features stunning sculptures and illuminated works, all crafted from natural materials like driftwood, hay, stone, and grass.
This exhibition Beyond Canvas, it showcases the artwork that are made from natural, which are made from natural materials. It also speaks how nature can play a vital role in a beautiful way within creative art. So the theme itself talks about beyond painting, there are other forms of art whereby you can just use natural materials as your day-to-day life art materials.
His artistic journey began with a simple love for painting, inspired by an art program he watched on TV as a child. Over the years, he experimented with various mediums, eventually discovering his passion for hay art during his college days.
We cannot compare our natural material with the factory-made one. The natural materials like roots or anything, stones, anything, they have their own charm, own beauty. So I feel I feel connected with that things. So beside painting and all, I find interest in the joy in collecting those kind of things and creating into art.
Though the path wasn't always easy, his dedication and willingness to learn and grow have shaped him into the confident artist he is today. With each piece, Monjit brings his creativity to life, transforming organic materials into captivating 2D and 3D pieces that come alive through the play of light and shadow.
Last exhibition se temdendi the atada madrigi sornangji jume sijunila the dia kadebe durse wajin atabe wajin ngaji gara rejergo the remotely the darebe wajin rogi shingdomnisu to the tichigi the dena ditsu jabeodalu namisame the yamsin cheto to durse the ni honle namsame the to ajun sijunila.
Each artwork invites viewers to experience nature in a new and dynamic way, offering a journey into the heart of the natural world through the artist's unique vision.
Dari na ___ khangnalu ani Monjit Nepal digi khogi ladi te tanigi ko hap dari guru Bhutan thoila tanu bebo da ngaragi hole be wachindi de namsam samle dewa du seshumila achigi nosara tangmatsubigi la seltin de suflation be benula yani boda ngarata to revera ta boda lu digi ngachira chöda chi kha dewa yuppe te ngachira dubigi ranglu da chi kha dewa yuppe dinantinele te ta tensangi juruwa da thidigi be te khogi tani ngachira gi chusel di namsami chodike nu se junila